تخيل الراجل ده بيقول ان هو بيتعلم انجليزي من ايام نوكيا 1100، فعايز يعرف حاليا مستواه وصل لايه في الانجليزي. تعال نشوف. Okay, Omar, tell us more about yourself, please, man.
My name is Omar Saeed. I'm 21 years old and I'm a computer science student. My hobby is learning different things. Like, I'm interested in languages much more. That's it.
Okay, so is there any other language that you are interested in apart from English?
Yeah, there is German, to be more specific. German is a little bit difficult compared to English, and I'm looking to improve it.
Okay, and how did you learn English, if you can tell us briefly?
I started watching TV shows, movies. I started like immersing myself in the language. And Corona, by the way, like the whole era of Corona came, and then I decided to take that seriously. And here I am.
Okay, and have you had your English tested before, man?
Yes. Some people have told me that my English is like B1, like upper intermediate, and others have told me, oh, it's B2, so it's something in the middle.
Okay, Omar, I thank you ever so much for your time today and have a good one. حاول تسيب لي دلوقتي في الكومنت مستواه ايه في الانجليزي بعد ما قعد يتعلم من ساعة نوكيا 1100 لحد النهارده، وحاول تعمل فولو علشان نعمل معاك الفيديو الجاي.